For customers who roll rather than walk, Prairie View Industries specializes in building ramp solutions. The Wheel-A-Bout is the perfect solution for customers who need a ramp that can be easily folded and stored when not needed. Every PVI Wheel-A-Bout is all welded aluminum construction, making it long-lasting and rust-free. The ramp accommodates wheelchairs and scooters with various wheel configurations. The full platform provides excellent stability and comes with an anti-slip high-traction surface. With a 600-pound load capacity, the Wheel-A-Bout comes in 2 3/4 and 9 3/4 top hook lengths. Due to their longer lengths, the 10-foot Wheel-A-Bout can accommodate up to a 20-inch rise, and the 12-foot Wheel-A-Bout up to 24 inches. These portable ramps give you a nice solution for even those taller rises. Due to the built-in wheel system, this ramp is simple to handle and maneuver. The Wheel-A-Bout comes with closer straps that lock the panels in place while in the stored position. No heavy lifting or awkward ramps to handle when storing. Simply wheel up against your garage wall or storage shed out of the way. Prairie View Industries takes pride with every product we build. Family owned since 1991, our goal is to open mobility for all our customers. Because we're a family-oriented company, we care about the people who use our products. For more information on our products, contact PVI by calling 800-554-7267 or visit our website at pvimanufacturing.com.